What a nice slide! Wow! Pretty stuff like that!
Are you ready?
Go! Run! It's so exciting! What's in it? Oh! Cool!
Wow, it's big.
Let's make it! Okay! Wahoo! Bravo! I'm so funny! Hooray! Good! What's next?
Big.
Can you hear the engine? Yoo-hoo! What's that? Good! It's so nice! I'm so looking for a tree. It's interesting! Nice seat! Cool! Oh! Hooray! Very good! Bravo! I'm so funny!
Yoo-hoo! That's cool! It's almost finished. Great! Good job! Very nice! What's next? Bravo! It looks good! Perfect! It's a forklift. It's yellow.
Wow!
What shall we make today? I'm still looking for a treat. Oh, me too. Nice to see. It's interesting.
Wow, it's big.
Good job. There's a door.
Cool.
Yoo-hoo! Fantastic!
I'm so funny.
Yay! Great! Good! What's next? Look! Bravo! It's almost finished. Oh, yes! It's great! It's ambulance! Cool! It's green! They're car parts! It looks good. Good job. Can you hear the engine? Yeah! What is it? That's cool. That's a good run. It looks good.
Wow, it's great! I like that. Nice seat. Hooray! Oh! It's a fun assembly time. All right. Great! It's big. Perfect. Drill hole. What's next? It's my turn. Wahoo! Yay! Very good.
I like it.
The steering wheel is moving well. Now we can sit down.
Cool. Big.
That's amazing. Hey ho! Yahoo! Nice. Good job. Really nice. Great! Yay! I'm somebody! Oh yeah! Stop! Okay! Oh! It's almost finished. Good! It's a school bus. Hey ho! Drill hole.